Well, it climbed that way already. It's going to get him up. Oh no, there's another one. Oh no, it's starting to move.
Just grab onto your bare legs. There you go, Babs. I don't want... This is actually really painful.
It's going to fall.
You alright?
What are you doing, Grissom? That's my bare legs. Oh.
There we go. Oh. Just gone round on
Where's
my
the other
foot.
one? Oh, he's sitting in the corner. Come on, off we get. Off we get. Thank you.
Oh, here we go. Some of the party on my leg.
Here it goes again. Oh no, they're all going. Go get Gretel. Go on. Go get Gretel. Oh my god, go get Gretel, you little weirdo. Oh my god, it's actually like... Oh, oh my god.
This really tickles. No, not another third. She's just like, help me please.
That little face is like, no, please help me, I'm stuck. Hello. Oh my god! Who invented claws?
Who did invent claws? Stupid.
Oh, he got down.
Ow,
oh no.
ow, ow.
Turn around. Oh my god, it's going for it.
Ow.
Oh.
That's right, you back down right now, mate.
Ouch! Ouch!
There we go. Let go.
Get off me, you little weirdo. Oh man.
Sorted.
Oh, the kittens are such little buggers.
You have massive eyes. Let me see you.
Here they come. Oh, look at the little loner on his own around there.
Oh, Lola boner. No, I didn't mean to say Did not mean to say that. Ow, ow.